As the country's largest agricultural landowner, we're passionate about good food. Alongside our 1,500 tenant farmers, we're leading the way when it comes to self-sustainability. We are busy restoring our 145 kitchen gardens so you can experience firsthand the plot to plate process, right from planting the seed to the moment they come out of the ground. Money might not grow on trees, but our food certainly does. We have over 100 orchards in our care, producing hundreds of traditional varieties of fruits and nuts every year. And now you can get involved in growing your own too, with our community growing spaces. There are over 1,000 sites all around the country, so whether it is a small veg patch or a full-blown allotment, we are here to help you follow your good life dreams. And to round off a day's gardening, there is nothing better than a steaming bowl of vegetable soup, made with fresh ingredients straight from the garden and expertly cooked by our experienced chefs. Accompanied by our freshly pressed apple juice, no afternoon tea is complete without the classic scone, homemade with British flour and served with locally grown strawberry jam and freshly clotted cream. So there you have it, the plot to plate process from start to finish. The National Trust. We love good food.